Hi, happy Thursday. So today we're going to be moving on to a new selection and I'm going to preview that text with you now. All right, so this is actually a persuasive text. So the first thing I want you to do is click here and watch this video. And this video explains what a persuasive text is and how it affects you as the reader. After you've watched this video, you should now be watching the video that you're watching right now. It's going to be linked here in just a minute. This is your to-do list. Number 1, complete the critical vocabulary chart. Number 2, you're going to answer the ask and answer questions as you read. And then number 3, you're going to answer the text questions and use text evidence. Obviously, if you're going to be able to ask and answer the questions as you read, then you have to read. So let's add that. And today's story is called Potatoes on Rooftops, Farming in the City. So that is what we're reading today. Okay, first step is review that critical vocabulary. You're going to type in the definition for each word and then use each word in your own sentence. Let's preview those together. The first word is urban.
Urban. Something that is urban is related to a city. As our population grows, urban areas expand.
The second word is plots.
Plots. Plots are small sections of land that are used for a certain purpose. Our neighborhood shares small plots of land to grow vegetables.
The third word is transform.
Transform. If you transform something, you change it from one thing to another.
Kayla is able to transform a sheet of paper into a paper animal. The next word is yield.
Yield. To yield means to produce or create something. The field will yield a larger crop because there has been plenty of rain.
Next word is
humble. If something is humble, it is simple and not impressive. Just beyond the city is a humble cottage.
The next word.
Alternative. An alternative is a choice or option that can take the place of something. Micah chose an apple as a healthier alternative to cookies.
Artificial.
Artificial. If something is artificial, it was created by humans rather than nature. Artificial turf looks almost like real grass, but never has to be mowed.
And last but not least,
influence. If you influence something, you affect it or cause a certain outcome. Store managers influence customers to buy certain products by choosing which items to display.
All right, so this is the author, Hadley Dyer, and this is an award-winning Canadian author. She was born in Annapolis Valley, Nova Scotia, and she has written many books for young people, including novels, as well as nonfiction books on topics ranging from food chains and the environment to baseball, fishing, and the importance of public spaces. In addition to writing books, Hadley has worked in a variety of jobs connected with books and reading. She has written articles for magazines and other kinds of publications, and she has been a bookseller, library coordinator, and editor. She also works with organizations committed to promoting literacy and reading. Again, this is a persuasive text. Persuasive texts give an author's opinions about a topic and try to convince readers to agree with that opinion. They may be organized by cause and effect, but they may also organize ideas by showing problems and solutions. Persuasive text includes reasons and evidence such as facts and examples to support the author's viewpoint. Persuasive text includes strong language and specific techniques such as appealing to the reader's emotions. Okay, this is called Potatoes on Rooftops, Farming in the City. I want you to take a minute, think about the title, think about the fact that it's a persuasive text. What do you know about farming in the city? Okay, what do you want to learn about farming in the city? Why would it be hard to farm in a city? Think about that. Okay, your job today is to listen to the story, Potatoes on rooftops. Play the audio, listen to the story. Before you do that, you do your vocabulary. Then you'll listen to the story. As you're listening, it tells you what page. So page 314, I want you to answer the question. According to the author, how should we transform the urban landscape? Okay, and then on page 316, give 2 reasons why people around the world were running out of food during World War I. And go on and so forth. Make sure you answer these questions as you read. When you're finished reading, you're going to answer these 4 questions and provide text evidence. Let me know if you need help with anything.